Hello everyone, this is Devite. Let's make our camera smoothly follow the player in just 3 minutes. Right now, our camera is static and it doesn't follow the player. Let's fix that. Create a new script. It's called camera follow and attach it to the main camera. Double click to open camera follow script in Visual Studio. We'll add 3 variables. First is follow target transform, which will be our player. Second is float smooth speed. And third is offset vector to control the distance between the camera and the player. To set up the camera follow, assign the player transform to the follow target, either by dragging it in the inspector or by referencing it in code using its tag. We'll do this through code. After selecting player, we'll select the already defined tag player. Now inside start, we're going to set things up for our camera. First, we need to find our player in the scene instead of manually assigning it. We'll use the player tag, so here. We're saying find the game object with the tag player, and then we access its transform, because we only need its position. We do this inside start because we only need to find the player once when the game begins. There's no need to search for it every frame. That would be unnecessary. We calculate the offset. Offset is simply the distance between the camera and the player. Now we'll use late update to handle the camera movement, because we want our player to move first and then our camera. Late update runs after update, which makes it perfect for camera system. First, we check if our target exists. If for some reason it's missing, we simply return and avoid errors. Next, we will take a desired position vector 3. We calculate where the camera should be. We take the player's position and add the offset we calculated earlier. So this keeps the camera at the same distance from the player at all times. We'll take another smoothing vector so we can smoothly move the camera using lerp. Lerp gradually moves from the current position to the desired position. We multiply by delta time to keep the movement smooth and frame rate independent. Now we apply the smooth position to the camera position. And finally, we make the camera always look at the player. Save script and hit play. Now the camera smoothly follows the player. This already makes the game feel much better. That's it from this video. In the next video, we'll add coin collectibles and learn trigger and collision events.